Well, hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we are checking out this wireless sound bar. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, this is really nice, guys. Oh my word. Check this out. Alright, so this is how it goes. Like this. Wow, that is really nice. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but nice silver pieces on the ends. Mounting brackets right here so you can mount it. So on the side you have power, volume, and it looks like maybe back. We'll see. You have on the back here a USB port, an AUX-R port, AUX-L port, optical port, DC 20 volt. You have a line in for AUX, and a TV ARC HDMI port. So if we feel on the top here, it looks like we have two subwoofers here. And it looks like a vent for the subs. The front looks like, it feels like there would be speakers inside the front here. Overall, this is really nice looking. So they give you a whole kit full of different stuff, including screws. Alright, so they give you the optical line. They give you a manual. They give you the mounting screws. They give you a remote control for controlling your sound bar. So on the remote, it looks like it probably takes AAA batteries. Yes, it takes two AAA batteries. I don't think they provide them, but we still have another box here, so we'll check out. On the remote, you guys got your standard buttons. You have bass, treb, 3D, music, TV, home, movie, input, on, off, volume, play, pause, mute. So you have a lot of options there. Looks like they give you the AUX to AUX cable, audio and video cable as well. FAQs on here, so if you have issues or something. So far, they seem to provide everything that you possibly need, except the batteries, but we'll see. Maybe they're in here. Alright, no. So they don't provide you with remote batteries. This is the power cable for the actual soundbar itself, and that just goes in the DC 20 volt. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in, test that out. Alright my friends, so for powering this thing on, you just press the power button and you then can select whatever mode you want. We're actually going to do a Bluetooth mode, and the easiest thing, the best way to test out your soundbar, I highly recommend you guys don't install it on your TV or whatever you're using yet. I recommend you guys using your cell phone to test out the quality and everything, because sometimes these sound bars can have issues with a humming sound or just bad quality. So there's no point in you setting it up with your TV or game system, going through all of that hassle, and then come to find out something's wrong with it. So I like to pair it with our phones, test out all range of audio. So we're going to do that. We're going to find you guys some copyright-free music, and we're going to test this out. I have it turned on the Bluetooth setting. I must accidentally press the power button here. Yeah, I did. Alright, so we're going to turn this on. There's a light on the side over here that indicates you told your friend you're not okay. Volume is up. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
As you fade away.
Very interesting, guys. All right, so I'm curious to see that if, since we connected to this already, if we automatically have Bluetooth on, if it connects again. Yep, looks like it does. So once you get connected to this, anytime you turn your Bluetooth device on and this on at the same time, it will connect to it unless you turn it off from auto. I want to keep listening to the song. So the bass is good, the treble is good, everything is good. There's no static from the bar whatsoever, nothing from the speakers, no breaking. We have the volume at max, and we also have the bass at max, and there's no breaking a part of the speakers. All right, guys, so I love this. I like that you can mount it. So you can mount it on a wall or something, and it's very simple. The brackets, you just unscrew the 4 screws on each bracket here, and then you'll mount it on the wall, and then you simply just put the screws back into your soundbar. The audio is crisp and clear. It works great, flawlessly. There's not a single issue with this soundbar. You can change the bass, you can change the tread, you can mess with the settings. So the quality is great, and overall I think it's safe to say that we can now install this on our home theater setup. Again, always test it out with your phone, test out the sound quality before you ever install something. This one gets a Scott pass, so I'm very happy with this sound bar, and it's going to work good for our custom setup that we are working on.